This is our system function electric pressure cook. See from the panel, here 6, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Push the middle button and choose the function you want. Porridge, soup. Here I take chicken for example. Choose this function and then waiting for 5 seconds. You can hear a tick sound, it means it starts to cooking. What if you forget to preset the time? And now, here, cancel it, and then choose again. Chicken, and then here, preset the time. 30 minutes, 1 hour, 1.5 hour, 2 hour, and then waiting for 5 seconds. It means it starts cooking. Also, cancel. If the rice or chicken is finished, you want to keep it warm and then push it again. And now it starts to keep warm. The panel supports any language. Also, cancel it. This electric pressure cook is 8 liter. And you can see great capacity. Hope this video can help you. Thank you. Okay, let's look around the cooker. Open and close remind. The water box. Some important parameters. And the plug. It had a very nice spelling did. Supports language.